ngalendo la ibuka lapha uma tingilosi timbuka they are so happy because of what they are seeing. So he was so okay, yaqhubeka ke, you're a seed of perfection, full of wisdom, perfect in what? In beauty. But perfect in beauty. You are a seed of perfection. Lokusho ukuthi akunaliphutha. Lesilibonaka la number 1. 1 uthi naqhubeka full of wisdom. Inhlakanipho yakho yayikhulu ngangokuba bekuthi into longakhona kuyisolva. Bewusolva angisiyabona nana unhlakaniphila ngithi. Mara lokuyeke kuqala. Lo bewusinaw letha everything, letha noma ngayini la kuye. He knows what to do. Full of wisdom, number 2. Then the self perfect in beauty. Ngifuna ukunikhomba, ngathi nginikhomba manje le creation yakhe ukuthi benjani ngithi. Now kuze kuthi sikhona kubona ukuthi yile le phose ukuthi azatholakala alahlwe phansi. Okay. Uthi ke naqhubeka, you were in Eden, the garden of God. Every precious stone was your covering. My precious stones are what muzangithi. Yes, precious stones khuluma bo diamond, bo gold, kunalokwazi ukuthi kuswe black diamond akade noma ngisho kahle. Black diamond ihle le yandule na uyibuka le yandule. Kuna these stones lawa lasinaka namanje. Lama minerals lasinaka watholi. Uthi uNkulunkulu kunangizana all these stones were your embodied bekumtimba wakhe. So ukhuluma ngema pipes naqhubeka ku verses my God kulo verses 13 uthi the workmanship of your timbrels and pipes was prepared for you on the day you were created. Ngicela ufunze le baba lo la kulo verse no mangibani kulo verse 13 ufunze nje the last after the precious stones, after gold, bese ufunze la the workmanship.
Oh, number 13 ne?
Yes, number 13 mara kule piece yokugcina.
Oh, la ka ti gold ne?
After gold, yes. Then.
Oh. Mari se angarhelo swa maribye lawa. A swi ri swa nsuku lowu furiweke.
Okay.
Swi lulamisiwile siku u tumbuluxiweke.
Yes.
Eh.
Lulamisiwe siku utumbuluxiweke ne? Now likhuluma ngani ngesilungu, likhuluma nga the pipes. Listen baba hlale lesilungu sakho. Workmanship or something like that. No, ngibani lo itholile noma ngeSwati noma ngilesi isilungu. Ezekiel 28 from verses 13. Ezekiel 28 from verses 13. Noma ngiliphi ihlobo lesilungu, otherwise ngicetha lenzaba ya.
Imani isungula kwala ka 13.
You were in Eden.
You were in verse 13 lo wena?
Yes.
Ngifuna umcale le ngathi uya ekugcineni baba.
Oh.
Workmanship somewhere there. After all the precious stone, after the gold, the precious stone, yes.
You were given this beauty on the day you were created. God made you strong.
God made you strong. You were given this is God made you strong. Now nasikhuluma ke King James lisebenzisa the word pipes there. Nasikhuluma ngamagama pipes. Now my instrument lamaningi ayendwa nga this thing called ama pipes. You understand? This one kunaloku kusukela kumarimba ngithi la phakathi kuna these things the pipes kuba naloku kuma violin kuma violin, understand? The sound yakhona it comes it's so letindo lethi uthi ukhuluma nga the creation yalusithi. So wadalelwa specifically for ukuthi enjani alethe kupheleliswa ezulwini. Kuthi na umbuka noma mhlambe lo umuntu ambuka aneliseke naNkulunkulu nalalela the worship aneliseke uNkulunkulu nambuka noma amthuma abe satisfied. Ukwaba satisfied uve ukuthi I'm satisfied, wathi nginelisekela ngifuna lutho, I'm satisfied. Angikhuluma lokhu bafuli ukuthi usuthe so beyond, but ngisho ukuthi enhlitweni yakho unelisekile. So he was i-design yakhe yayingale ndlela le verses 14. Kuba verse 14.